neighbors just say hi to them and stuff. And nobody can hear because our ears are ringing from the cicadas. Love you all. If you can hear me.